Do you struggle to grow a long hair? Keep watching. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dami. If this is your first time stopping by, thanks for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to get notified when I start uploading another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks to grow a long hair. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First thing first, shampoo less and hydrate more. Shampooing your hair 2 to 3 times a week is enough to allow your hair natural oil to penetrate into your hair, which will enable it to hydrate and repair itself. And regularly deep condition your hair. This will help detangle and prevent it from damaging. When shampooing your hair, try patting it into 4 sections. This will really enable the product to sink straight into every sections of your hair, and it's really gonna work well for you. Moisturize your hair with hydrating products like shea butter, leave-in conditioners, silk scarves, and so many others. There's a need for you to stop combing your hair when it's dry. Doing so will cause the hair to shed a lot, and when this happens, it causes the hair to lose its length. Make sure the hair is hydrated before combing it. You can make use of detangling brush or detangling products that can really make the job easy for you. Avoid product with ash chemicals and opt in for product with natural ingredient instead. Using ash chemicals on your hair can be hazardous to your scalp, and this can destroy the hair follicles. And when the hair follicles is destroyed or affected, we should make sure we use organic ingredient on our hair in order to promote a healthy hair growth. And also avoid excessive heat styling because it can lead to hair breakage. If there is a need for you to use heat on your hair, you can do well by reducing the temperature. This will help the hair immensely and prevent it from damaging. And so wear protective style. This will really help you reduce the stress of styling your hair on a daily basis. So it's gonna be protected. Your hands are not gonna be around it all the time. It's gonna reduce the shedding. It's really gonna help it a lot. So protective style, wherever hairdo you like, you can style it, but make sure you do not wear tight hairstyle because doing so can affect and damage the hair follicles. Once the hair follicles is damaged, it will be very difficult to grow a long hair. So make sure you do not wear a tight hairstyle. At first, they are very uncomfortable, so there is no need to wear them. Always make sure you wear hair that will ease the tension on the scalp, that will not cause any form of tension on the scalp. It's makes the hair follicle to grow a long hair. There's a need for you to focus on your scalp more because the scalp is where the hair grows, and it is essential to keep your scalp healthy. Doing so will help the hair follicles. So do well by massaging your scalp with healthy hair care treatments and apply products that can stimulate and healthy hair growth. Include hair vitamins to your routine. Adding vitamins and minerals to your routine can contribute immensely to its growth. Taking vitamin A, C, E, zinc, iron, omega fatty acid, this can help support hair growth along with good nutrition. Now over to nutrition. Eat the right diet. Try increasing your protein intake with food like fish, beans, nut, and whole grains. Eating all this will facilitate a healthy hair growth. Avoid trimming your hair too often. At least you can trim your hair every 3 to 4 months instead of making it a regular routine. Not trimming your hair regularly will help you retain hair length. If you go on trimming your hair this week and over to the next week you start trimming it, you made it a routine, how are you gonna grow it when you kept on trimming the hair away over and over again? It is true some people do say that you can trim your hair regularly, but I'm sure what they meant was like you should do it decisively. You shouldn't go on cutting the useful part of your hair that could really help retain the length. It's very advisable for you to trim every 3 to 4 months. It's really healthy. It's really going to help you retain your hair length. So instead of trimming on a daily basis, try trimming 3 to 4 months. It's really going to help you to grow a long hair. Use Ayurvedic herbs, and that takes me to introducing to you my DIY Ayurvedic hair growth oil. And it's right here in a jar, which is a mixture of various Ayurvedic herbs and oils. This has helped me retain hair length. Ayurvedic herbs can help stimulate a fast hair growth, and it can help condition your scalp. It heals damaged hair follicles and treats dandruff and so many other hair conditions. It nourishes the hair and gives you a lengthy, voluminous hair. Ayurvedic herbs such as Bhimraj, Barmi, Shinkakai, Ashwagandha, Clove, Neem, Fenugreek, either the seed or powder, Moringa powder, hibiscus leaf, amla, rosemary leaf, and a lot more. These are herbs that can help facilitate a fast hair growth. And this I added to my DIY hair growth. So you can do the same as well by adding some of the previous listed Ayurvedic herbs into an hair growth oil of your choice. And then you await a greater result eventually. I have been using this for a while now, and it has really been helping me to retain my hair length. And I know it's still gonna do more for me. So you can actually try this out in order to help you to retain your hair length. Ayurvedic has really helped a lot of people in the past to grow a long hair, and it's really still helping a lot of people to grow a long hair. So you can start your journey with the Ayurvedic herbs because they're really doing a lot. If you've been missing out on Ayurvedic, this is the right time for you to hop into it and start using it. Then you'll see a wonderful result of using Ayurvedic. This next one I'm about sharing with you is also very much effective like the Ayurvedic, and it's the rice water routine. I know you remember the Yao Women's rice water. Yes, it's such an amazing, very wonderful ingredient that you can use to grow your hair. You remember how it really helped them to grow a long, healthy, shiny hair. It can also help you grow your hair as well because it's really working. It's really effective. It has a lot of benefit. It can really help facilitate a healthy hair growth. So you can make use of that. It's such a great one. And also I want to be talking about clove water. Clove water too can be used for hair growth. Sometimes some people say they're allergic to clove water, but if you test it and you know it doesn't have any effect on you, but if you test it and it has a bad effect on your hair, you need to stop it immediately in order not to damage your hair further. So if it's really working for you, it's such a great option to grow your hair as well. You can also get a clove or get a spray bottle and make it in a spray bottle and start spraying it on your hair. You will notice the change because it's really working. You can make do of that. It's very great too. If it's your pillowcase or your bedspread or your bedsheet, make sure it's silk. Sleeping on silk will make you retain your hair moisture because if you notice that you sleep on anything other than silk, when you wake up the next day, your hair is all over the place and it's definitely lose its hair moisture. When you sleep on silk, it really helps retain the hair moisture. It really helps retain the hair hydration. So it's really very beneficial. And if you do not love sleeping on silk, you can try using silk hair cover or a silk scarf. This will really help you as well. There's a lot of benefit that comes along with drinking water because it keeps you healthy. It also facilitates unhealthy hair growth. Do not wait until you get dehydrated before you drink water. Make it a routine. Don't get dehydrated. Just drink water on a regular basis because it has a lot of benefit. It's an essential part of life, and you got to experience how wonderful it is because it really helps your body system a lot. It's really helpful. It can really help your hair grow. It can also help other part of your body. So it's very essential. Drink water. It's good. That's how we come to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you find this pretty much informative. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification to get notified when I start upload another video, and give this video a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments. It will be highly appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.